Namaste bachcho. Today we'll start with a new chapter and the name of the chapter is A ki matra, chapter number 8. So here you can see Vyanjan letter A and its symbol. That's a small string we write on the top of the Vyanjan letters. So when we add this symbol with any Vyanjan letter, that Vyanjan letter has a A sound. Here you can see this is Vyanjan letter A and the symbol for A is a small string we write on the top. For example, when we add this A symbol to the Vyanjan letter Ka, so Ka is the Vyanjan letter and A symbol, then it has K sound, K. So this is the symbol for A Vyanjan letter. Next example, Pa is the Vyanjan letter and we have to add this A symbol to Pa Vyanjan letter. So it sounds Pe, Pa plus A and it has Pe sound. So this is the way to write A symbol. Next we will see few words with A Vyanjan letter. The first one is AD. AD means heel. Next one, album. And here you can see we are using A symbol with the Vyanjan letter Sa. So it sounds Say. Sa plus A ki matra, it sounds Say. And the word is Seb. Seb means apple. Now here you can see the last word, it's paid. Here we are using Vyanjan letter Pa plus A ki matra and it has a sound Pe and the word is paid. Paid means tree. So once again I am going to read these words: AD, album, save and paid. Next you can see here the Vyanjan letters on the top and at the bottom you can see the Vyanjan letters with A ki matra. So I am going to read out these letters: Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. And when we add A ki matra, it sounds Ke, Khe, Ge, Ghe, Nga. Next set of Vyanjan letters: Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Iya. And when we add A ki matra, it has Che, Che, Je, Jhe, Iya sound. Next set of Vyanjan letters: Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And when we add A ki matra, it sounds Te, The, De, Dhe, Ne. Next set of Vyanjan letters: Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And when we add A ki matra, it sounds Te, The, De, Dhe, Ne. Now next set of Vyanjan letters: Pa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma. And when we add A ki matra, it sounds Pe, Fe, Be, Bhe, Me. Next set of Vyanjan letters: Ya, Ra, La, Va. And when we add A symbol, it sounds Ye, Re, Le, Ve. Next set of Vyanjan letters: Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. And when we add A ki matra, it sounds She, She, Se, He. Next set of Vyanjan letters: Ksha, Tra, Gya, Shra. And when we add A symbol, it sounds Che, Tre, Ge, Shre. So you have to practice these letters with A symbol. Now here you can see few words. So you have to read and understand it. Now I am going to read these words and you have to listen it very carefully. So the first word is jail, khel, tail, rail, mail. Desh, ped, seb, khet, mela. Chela, kela, thela, घेरा, देखा, गमले, अपने, sapne, sapera, savera. And the last line, basera, kela, akela, kappade, chameli. So these are the words with A ki matra. So you can see on the top of every Vyanjan letters, A symbol is there. So once again, I am going to read these words for you. Jail, khel, tail, rail, mail. Desh, ped, seb, khet, mela. Next line, chela, kela, thela, ghera, dekha. Gamle, apne, sapne, sapera, savera. Basera, karela, akela, kappade, chameli. So you have to read these words. Now let's understand the meaning of these words. The first one, jail. Jail means prison. Next word, khel, game. Next word, tail. Its meaning is oil. Rail means train. Mail means similarity. Desh means country. Ped means tree. Seb means apple. Khet means farmland. Mela means fair. Chela means disciple. Kela, banana. Thela, trolley. Ghera means circle. Dekha means to see. Gamle means flower pot. Apne means ours. Sapne, the meaning is dreams. Sapera means snake charmer. Savera means morning. Basera is a place where birds regularly settle. Next word, karela, it's a vegetable, bitter gourd. Akela means alone. Kappade means dress, and chameli is a flower, it's jasmine flower. So these are the words which you have to read and practice. Next, you can see here a picture. Now this is about Ramesh and his trip to a fair. Now I am going to read out these sentences and you have to listen it very carefully, its pronunciations. So the first line, Ramesh मेला देखने गया. मेले में उसने एक सपेरा देखा. सपेरा बीन बजा रहा था. बहुत भीड़ थी. लोग इधर उधर घूम रहे थे. सब मज़े कर रहे थे. कुछ लड़के झूला झूल रहे थे. रमेश ने मिठाई खाई और वापस आ गया. Now let's understand the meaning of few words. Here Ramesh is the name of a boy and Mela, it's a fair, and Dekhne Gaya means he went to see that fair. So the meaning of this line is Ramesh went to see a fair. Now next line, मेले में उसने एक सपेरा देखा. एक सपेरा means one snake charmer. देखा means he saw. So there he saw a snake charmer. Next line, सपेरा बीन बजा रहा था. So bean is a snake bean. So the meaning of this sentence is the snake charmer was playing the snake bean. So you can see that in the picture. Next line, bheed thi. That means the place was very crowded. Bheed means crowd. Next line, log idhar udhar घूम रहे थे. Log means people and the word idhar udhar means here and there. घूम रहे थे means they were roaming. So the meaning of this sentence is the people were roaming here and there. Next line, सब मजे कर रहे थे. मजे means enjoy. So everyone were enjoying. कुछ लड़के झूला झूल रहे थे. Here कुछ लड़के means some boys. So some boys were swinging there. रमेश ने मिठाई खाई और वापस आ गया. मिठाई means sweet, खाई means ate. वापस आ गया means he came back. So Ramesh had some sweet and he came back home. This is the meaning of these sentences. Now here you can see Shabdarth, that means word meaning. So I am going to read out and you have to listen it very carefully. So the first word, seb. Seb means apple. Rail means train. Savera, morning. Mela, fair. Kela, banana. Ped, tree. Desh, country. Chade means to climb. Tail means oil. So, you have to read these words with their meaning. You have an activity. You have to read the Vyanjan letters with a symbol, record it and submit in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.